Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about focusing on the skill of trading, not the money aspect. We are in the business of being right? Being right. But the thing is, this business, trading, is money oriented. You gotta think about money more than other occupations, right? For example, if you're a doctor, you don't really think about money while you're doing surgery, cutting somebody's back, something like that. But in this business, we think about money most of the time, but it's a wrong mindset to come into the trading, because you got to be able to detach from the money in order to make the money in the markets. Because in order to make consistent gains in the markets, you have to have an edge, you have to have a system, and then you have to have the skill of trading in order to produce the income. Because you can close your eyes, click buy or sell, and then make money. But our goal is to gain income from trading consistently. I want to make this my income. I want to do this for a living. I'm not looking for quick bucks. Okay? That's the wrong mindset. I'm doing this to make a living. I want to do this till the rest of my life so I can retire and then have a good life. And that's everybody's goal. But you guys are putting really short time periods, and then you guys are focusing on a lot of money but not the skill. Let me tell you something. Let's talk about the other occupations. In order to become doctor, you gotta go to medical school, and then you gotta specialize in something. For example, you become neurosurgeon. It takes around like 10 years. So in order to make the doctor money, that 300K a year, you gotta go through years of education, years of learning, study. And then after you learn that skill, and then you can start earning the money, right? Or let's say welding, or any other occupation that you can name. You gotta be able to do the skill in order to make the... There was a fucking spider on my hand. I'm taking this video in a good part. It's like a forest, fucking law of nature. Anyways, in order to make the money, you gotta have the skill. In trading, I have around 3 to 4 things, 3 to 4 step process in order to start making money. First of all, in these markets, you gotta have an edge, you gotta have a system. You can't just be clicking on the buttons because you see a green candle, it's gonna go up now. You gotta have a system. Can be supply and demand, fair value, gaps, smart money, concepts, support and resistance, whatever it is. Every strategy makes money, okay? There's not just one strategy that only makes money. You can have any strategy and then you can still make money. The second thing is about risk management, which is the most important, because you can enter a random trade, but if you can manage the risk correct, you can become profitable at the end of the trade. So the managing risk is the second most important thing. Okay, and then the third thing is patience. So a lot of us are coming to trading with an employee mindset of making a set income every single day, so we can make this much money at the end of the week. But it doesn't work like that, because the trading income is not stable. You can make 1 grand today, lose 500 tomorrow, and then next day you can make 2 grand. At the end of the week, you can be at plus 2,000. You know what I mean? It's not stable. So don't think like every day you gotta do something. Every day you gotta trade. There's only 5 trading days, 5 business days in a week, and then only 20 days that you can trade. And the market is gonna give you around 7 to 10 good trading days, good A+ opportunity. So in those days, you got to be able to capitalize, and then you got to enter the trades with a decent size and manage the risk, and then take the trades according to your system and strategy, and then you can become profitable, right? And the fourth thing, so we said 4 things. Fourth thing is position size. Okay, just over leverage. Sometimes you can do everything right, but just over leveraging, you want to make a little bit more money, You're playing with your emotions. You don't even realize it. You have 2-point stop loss, but just because you over leverage the position that you're in, move 1 point against you, and then you're freaking out. Your mindset is not there. You gotta be like turtle. You know, turtle and a rabbit races. The rabbit can go faster than a turtle, but a rabbit gets cocky and then stops middle of the road, but the turtle keeps going. So at the end of the day, turtle wins the race. I'm trying to become a turtle. I'm trying to win this race. I'm trying to do this for a living. I'm trying to do this my whole life. I'm not trying to be fucking rabbit, make quick bucks. No, I'm trying to make consistent income. I'm trying to pull money out of the markets consistently. And then you can do that. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't. But like I said, you shouldn't think about the money, because if you can call if the stock is gonna go up or down, and then that means you can make money. You don't have to think about the money, right? If you can become good at what you're doing, you'll make money in anything, not just trading. If you can become the best fucking welder, everybody's gonna come at you. You're gonna make money, bro. You're gonna make hell lot of money. There's a lot of industries that you can make money. But the trading, when you get infected with this, there is no going back. I swear to God, you just can't give up. Sometimes you do want to give up. Maybe 1 to 2 months you try to not look at charts, but you do look, and then you're trying to fund your account again. Right? You're like, you got me over there because I've been through this. And then this is the thing, everybody's going through this. But there is a way to not go through these things. There is a way to go to profitability without really suffering and pain. But we are human. Majority of us gonna learn the lesson the hard way, because that's the only way we learn the lessons. That's what I figured out in my 22 years of life. You only learn the lessons hard way. Okay? You see a guy who's driving on the streets recklessly, he almost crashes the car, and then one day he crashes the car, then he learns his lesson. But he don't understand the lesson until he crashes. So most of us are gonna learn the hard way, but I don't want any of you to learn it the hard way, because I have been suffering for 4 years enormously, losing money, doubting myself if I can do this. But you can actually do this. But like I said, you gotta be able to focus on the skill, focus on becoming a good trader, not good money maker. I don't care how much money you make. I want to become a good trader. I want to see good traders. I want to see people taking A+ setups, managing their risk, not trading high impact red folder days. They're following their rules, journaling what they're doing. Look at the big manufacturing companies or any other company. You know what they're doing? They're journaling. They have all the reports and sheets of what they've done 1 year, 2 years before, 3 years before, how much money they make, were they good at, were they bad at. They're journaling, and then they're according to the information that they have on the journal, they're changing their style of doing things, right? You gotta be able to do the same thing, because trading is a business. You gotta treat it like a business, and it will become a business, and then it will bring you the fruits and labors of business. But you gotta learn the skill. And again, I know I'm repeating myself, but you gotta be able to learn the skill. You gotta be able to control your brain, be disciplined, do the same boring stuff every single day. But this is the way to do it. I hope you guys learned some lessons today about what I talked about. I hope you can use these knowledge and wisdom in your trading, so you don't suffer. You don't see all the hardships that me and a lot of other people went through. And then you can become a profitable trader, and then live the life that you always dream of, and escape the rat race. That's all for today, guys. I hope you